Hello everyone, welcome to watching this session 4a connecting a SOAP web service. In the last lesson we have already created the connection profile of the web service and tested it quickly. So here we will create a hybrid workflow application to test the connection of the web service. So here we will create an mweather application and drag the it's pretty similar as the last lesson. So here let's do it very quickly. So here we will use only several basic informations that we want. So here we can click do a quick preview. Yes, we get the temperature. Yes, okay. So click next. And this attribute mapping has already been done for you, so you can choose to change the data type, the string length. Here you can see we have changed string length, shorten the strings. Okay, click next. It's okay, let's click finish. So here we have already created a MBO here. So let's see that the wizard has already created all these properties for us. So if you want to change those properties, you can do it by configuration. It's very quick and easy. So here we create a additional attribute. This attribute will act as a parameter of this MBO. So here we will create a personalization key. This P key will work as a global parameter for us. So here we will propagate this attribute. We will propagate the SIP attribute to zip code and pop up to personalization key. So the object queries. We will create an object query called get weather by SIP. And here we can add a parameter called zip code. And map it to, so you can see there's a SQL statement here. This is the object query logic. Okay, so let's deploy the project. Update. Click next. Okay, let's finish it. Okay, so this deploying. Okay, so here we will create a new mobile workflow. Let's name it mweather. It's client initiated. So here we can see the start screen. We'll place an edit box. The label is zip code. Also, we'll create a new key to do binding with this import key zip code. And then we will try to place a button. I always like a button because on Android maybe the users like buttons more than the menu items. So here we can see we can place a search, and the search button is an online request to get invoked object query that we already created, the get weather object. So here we will choose a success screen. Yes, we'll create one. It's a successful screen, weather results. And here we will choose the success screen to the newly created page, weather results. Okay, so let's do parameter mapping. We will map the input control to the key. Yes, okay. It's fine. It's saved. So here let's also do a personalization key mapping. So here in this result page, we will place some informations here. We will create a HTML view, and as the online request will response and give us some informations like the temperature, the city, etc. So we will place those informations here. We will bind each of the keys to a HTML view. Temperature. It's okay. Fine. Okay. So let's save. So let's do generate. It's assigned to the user. Click finish. So here let's open up the emulator. Yes, let's see the workflow has already been installed. So we click the Unwired. So here let's input some valid zip code here. We'll choose okay, we get the result. Thanks for watching.